Meanwhile, the Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, offered one of the care facilities of skills training for children. This is to help them to be on track with today's developing technology, as our Noel Talakay reports.
Ice now feels that she is in cloud nine after she was selected to be part of the IT and tech training. She says that to be in the IT industry is her dream.
Outside, mahilig na rin po talaga akong mag-computer. Pero hindi po ganun kalalim na ngayon is mas marami kaming matututunan about technology.
JD is also excited to learn new skills, especially if it's related to technology. She says that she has now hope for new opportunities after her stay inside the care facility.
Malaking tulong po to para po sa amin na nandito po kami kasi bibigyan po nila kami ng opportunity na magkaroon po kami ng mapapasukan na trabaho sa labas.
JD and Ice are among the 14 residents of Marilac Hills National Training School for Girls, one of the care facilities of the Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD. They will participate in the Skills Development Program of the agency through IBM Skill Build of IBM Philippines.
Ang programa natin dito sa DSWD, masigurado na bukod sa psychosocial intervention, ay meron tayong nagaganap na skills na training.
Sa loob ng IBM Skills Build, meron siyang mga kurso na technical, na ito na nga yung mga emerging technology na nandito na ngayon. Anong example? AI. Ayan, gusto mo cybersecurity, gusto mo maging threat analyst na nasa Security Operations Center, pwede mo pag-aralan.
According to the IBM Philippines, the training will be conducted online but will be moderated physically by certified trainers. And there are a lot of training programs that the participants can choose to be trained on, and they can use it for job application in the IT industry.
Pag natapos yung programa, 6 months, meron na silang mga iba't ibang micro-credential at pwede na silang mag-apply ng trabaho sa mga iba't ibang mga kumpanya na nangangailangan ng ganung klaseng skills.
Makukuha mo yung micro-credential na yon, pwede mo ipakita sa Facebook, sa LinkedIn, kung ano man yung profile mo sa social media. Kasi globally verified yan. Ibig sabihin, hindi natin inimbento dito, kilala siya kahit saan ka pumunta.
Secretary Gatchalian says that one of the mandates of DSWD is to strengthen the capacity of their clients staying at the agency's care facility so that they can keep up with the fast-changing world of new technologies.
Kasi yun ang tawag ng panahon. Lagi nyo naririnig sa ating Pangulo na dapat handa ang ating mga mamamayan na makipagsabayan sa paggalaw ng mundo. Doon patungo yung mundo natin. Wala na atang industriya ang hindi gumagamit ng teknolohiya.
Caritas, a global confederation of Catholic charities, is also part of the program, which will spearhead the values formation of the participants who were abandoned, abused, as well as children in conflict with the law, and might soon be reintegrated to the community. For now, the agency says that this is just a pilot run, but it has already started planning for the implementation of the program in the Visayas. But soon, it will be implemented in 77 care facilities of the DSWD located in different parts of the country. The dark past should not shape the future of every child in the country, but with our compassion, support, and belief in their worth, we can help them to rise again, just like the program of the Department of Social Welfare and Development, which give them new hope and help them to become a future-ready individuals and a responsible Filipino citizens. Noel Talakay from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.